as I said, I'm going to do a disassembly of this airsoft replica. No, wait a second. Probably cut that out, or you could skip. No, the other one is better. Voila. Yes, perfect. So disassembling this bitch is kinda easy. Just take the C-clip out. Alright, that'll do. You can see right here you have a C-clip. There's another dude who has the same nozzle, of course. And the problem is he has another version of it. My version, however, is more complicated. Because I never lose this. I cannot find my version on internet. Oh, this one easy. Here you have that fake style. Yeah, it's fake, they say. I don't know what's fake, but it doesn't function. It doesn't have a function, I guess. But you take that out and you can. Oh, damn it. You can unscrew it like this. That's also different with the other versions. I have this apart. It's different from the other versions. Then you take it out, partly, so you can actually bend the loading nozzle. Right, sorry, this is the bolt, this is the nozzle. Can be a pitch from time to time, but if you have so, god damn it, get out of it. So this piece is different from all the other versions. Fun. So this is the loading nozzle, and if you see, most versions have, you can see M4 HK416. Wait a second. M4 HK416. Now, with the other versions, there stands, god damn, just read the thing, god damn it. Then you have version 3, and a new version 3. So I probably have the first version of all. And you can see here, you can adjust the velocity of your FPS, and that's it. Also, the other versions are doesn't have the aluminum bolt catch. I think it's called bolt catch. You have to look it up. Otherwise, it functions normally. But for most guys who has this gun and bought it from WGC shop, you get this part. So you can adjust the velocity without an official RA tag and pass. So that was it. I can assemble it again, show you how, and that'll be all. Just insert it, not all the way. The lip goes up front. There it is. Insert this motherfucker. Also, mine doesn't, it's a weird part. Let me have a cigarette. There's the frame. Okay, finished. Push it all the way back. And you should see that piece coming out at the back. Insert the C-clip. Sorry, the E-clip actually. Also, when you reassemble a C-clip, sorry, an E-clip, then you want to push it back into the first position because it has worn out sometimes. It's not that big of a deal, but if you want to be perfectionist at this, at some point you gotta squeeze it back together. Don't pull too hard on it because it can break. So reassemble it. I'll use a screwdriver, just simple non-magnetized screwdriver, and keep the, wait a second, it's a pitch to get in. Once you have it, it'll suck. There. That's it, mounted. Great. Now you can see if I pull this back, the C-clip, you can see that the C-clip stays. It's a little bit tight, but when you play with the gun, it'll be as fast as hell. So that's no issue at all. Damn it. I want to. Voilà. Alright. Some problem occurred. God damn it. Voila. Didn't know what happened, but it should have worked right now. That was my review. Hope you liked it. Bye bye.